In today's video, we are putting the Epson FastFoto FF-680W against the Fujitsu fi-8170 to see which scanner truly deserves your desk. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these scanners, make sure to check the link in the description below. Look, you are probably drowning in shoeboxes of old prints or mountains of invoices, and picking the wrong machine means wasted time and frustration. So let me break this down side by side without any fluff. The Epson screams through a photo every single second, while the Fujitsu plows through 45 pages per minute. So if you are digitizing grandma's album, the Epson wins instantly. But if you are processing purchase orders, the Fujitsu leaves it in the dust. That Epson holds only 10 sheets at a time, meaning you will stand there feeding it like a vending machine, whereas the Fujitsu swallows 100 sheets in its automatic feeder and runs all day without you touching it. On the other hand, the Fujitsu completely ignores photo restoration, so those faded, color-casted snapshots will come out looking just as sad as they went in, while the Epson auto-corrects red-eye, rotates crooked images, and brings back original colors like magic. The Fujitsu connects via Ethernet to your office network, so 10 people can share it without fighting over USB cables. But the Epson uses Wi-Fi and a slick smartphone app that lets you add voice memos and create slideshows right from your couch. Now here is the kicker. The Epson scans the front and back of a photo in one go, capturing handwritten dates and notes, something the Fujitsu cannot do unless you flip the paper manually. Meanwhile, the Fujitsu handles documents up to 20 feet long, perfect for architectural drawings or medical records, while the Epson taps out at standard letter size. Honestly, the Epson FastFoto is a joy for families preserving memories, but its flimsy 10-sheet feeder and lack of network ports make it a toy for real offices. So for most people watching this, the Fujitsu fi-8170 is the smarter buy because it simply never quits, handles insane volumes, and keeps your team moving. That said, if you only scan photos once a year, the Fujitsu is overkill and a waste of space. So you really need to click the link below, see which one fits your actual life, and grab it at the best price before they sell out again.